Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Kubernetes on Raspberry Pi. So in this episode we'll be configuring few basic steps in the Raspbian OS which we have just installed in our SD cards. So what we'll do is we'll first disable the swap, and then we'll edit the cmdline.txt file which is present inside the boot directory. Now these two steps are very important, because if you skip these steps the Kubernetes installation will give you an error. So alongside this tutorial I will be following the Alex Ellis article on the GitHub page. I'll share a link to this article in the description. So as you can see here, it says disable swap, and to disable swap we need to run these three commands. After disabling the swap we need to edit this file which is present inside the boot directory. So let's go ahead and first disable the swap in both of our devices. Now we have disabled the swap, and it's time to edit the cmdline.txt files which is present inside the boot directory. So let's open that file. Okay, now you need to enter few of the commands at the very end of this file, but remember one thing, you do not need to press the enter after writing all the commands here. The same you have to do in another device. And remember one thing, I'm telling you, you do not need to press enter after writing these commands. Just save the file. Okay, so once this is done, all you need to do is reboot your devices, and after this is done we are now ready to install Kubernetes in our devices. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video when we will install the Kubernetes in both of our devices. So thank you for watching this video, and please comment if you have any questions regarding this step.